You'll still get that update. It's crazy how much that pennant shit works. It's crazy how many times the pennant formations on any time frame, anywhere you draw pennant formations, they will fake out and go the other way. Go find me one that breaks out and just falls to the downside. Come on, man. It just is, it's so funny to me. But it's like that is how amateurs get frustrated with trading, because they think that it's just about drawing lines on a chart, and they think that if they just draw the right lines and trade that formation that it's going to work. They have no concept of what it means to actually be a professional trader. Olzas, the answer to your question is just no. Lindsay, you're getting on the feed. You know. I only give it rough because I want y'all to stay tight. I'm not here to be your friend. Truthfully, I don't want to be friends with any of you guys. I want to be business partners with you. And as a business partner, if you do something wrong and I don't call you on it, I am failing you as a business partner. Call it a friend, call it whatever you want. But to me, our relationship, me to you guys, is not about, hey, buddy, you're doing good, buddy. Let me tap you on the back. You're doing great. That is not what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you get more discipline. I'm here to help you stay on edge more when your emotions want to take you off edge. And sometimes that's just not pretty. It's not cute. What'd I say? GCHF back to the 1 minute 800. 1 minute liquid 50s in the sell zone. This could come up again, but this is clearly dropping. So it's good that everybody's not involved in this. I don't know what James is doing, but that's on him. Is GJ bad for the ASFX system? L50 is all over the place, so I don't know how to trade it. Now you're talking, Quaylen. When you don't know how to trade it, you stay away from it. So market sentiment is in the buy zone here on the 15-minute on GBP NZD or GBP JPY all day. It's so overbought, though, that it's very tough for me to know if we could get another pop on this. If you had a really good A1 candle formation, maybe I would take it if the risk was so fucking clear. But here, this is probably going to hold the 8 EMA and rise, or it's going to come back to the 50. I don't think you're going to get an entry on this, where your RSI will be above the L50 and be in the right position, you know? Ebert, you're getting on the stream, bro. I love it. Business is about making money. Making money has nothing to do with what we want the market to do. It's what the market is doing, and are we paying attention to it, or are we being biased in our analysis? Again, I'm not coming at James in any way specifically, but I know Chris is on here. Chris, Dennis, you're his friends. You're in his accountability group. What the fuck are you guys doing letting him buy something with the market sentiment line in the sell zone like that? How is that logical? And then he calls it an A setup? It's like, did you forget what ASFX is built on? It's built on market sentiment line. Literally, that is the foundation for what we do. But we're buying things in the sell zone now, calling them A setups. As accountability partners, Chris, I know you're listening. Dennis, I know you're here live. Y'all better get on him and on yourself to say, James, yo, in the moment, don't let Austin be the only one calling you out. We all have to hold each other accountable to grow. Thought I was getting soft. Craig, get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Thought I was going soft, bro. Thought I was going soft. You're funny, Craig. I love you, bro. You're so funny. So now you got me saying I love you on the stream. Now I am soft. Now someone's gonna comment, call me a pussy for saying I love you. But I do love you, bro. I love Craig. Craig's been with us for a long time. Dennis, I knew you were here, brother. Get on your boy. And I'm going to get on you, and then we're all on top of each other. It's like a big trading ASFX orgy, but it's fine. No Billies, what's up? Good to see you. No Billies, you made it to a thumbnail on the ASFX YouTube channel. Go check that out. James can tell you how we on him. Good. I love it. I love the gay references. Yeah, we all on it. Everybody's on each other. Everybody's sweaty. Get on each other. I love it. Yeah. He knows what's up, but he a grown-ass man. Yeah. So 100%. You don't need to beat the horse dead. I'm using him as an example. He signed up for that when he's a coach, because now I get to be tough on him and I get to butt him up when he does great things. So I use him as an example here for the younger guys. That's all my issue is I want the younger guys to not get into bad trades, regardless of if they're wins or losses. It's about, is the system being followed? Is the process being followed? If that's not being followed, I don't give a fuck if you made money or not. If you're not following the system, that's where I can get on you, because that won't last. That just won't last. You might make money today, tomorrow, the next day, but in a month, you're going to be like, what's the system again? I need it now.